In code step, what is the first line we write? Something. Have we studied this? What is const? And what are its properties?
In const we cannot redeclare the variable and we cannot redeclare the value of the variable.
Right. We cannot simply
Redeclare
or cannot change the value. Okay. Or it has the
fixed.
yeah, you can call it fixed, or we cannot change this value. But when you write the let, you can change the value of it. Can we take a look? Can we take an example? Let's see. Let's look at another definition. We have also checked that change value, or let's write it in a very simpler way. Okay. Now, have we? There is another one difference. What we have studied. This we all by default know. By let means we can change its value. Const we cannot change the value. This is theoretical. Let's look at the code snippet. There is. There is another difference which we have looked. Space would be okay. Do we needed to assign the values in a let instantly? No. And in a const, we must needed to assign the value immediately. Have we ever checked that? Okay, so let's give an example as well. What does the second line means? Okay. Let x is equal 20, okay, and then it is equal 10. This would be allowed or not allowed?
नहीं भैया मेरे हिसाब से नहीं होगा।
Look at the first. Can change the value. क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे? Can change the value. So what we are doing simply, we have declared the value 10 and then assigning the value. It would be simply allowed. Now let's write for the const. What is not allowed in the const? Const, let's say y is equal 20 you have taken, and then y is equal 10. This would be not allowed. ठीक है? What does this mean? This is a keyword. Let is a keyword. Const, again a keyword. This is a variable name. X, Y. What is this? It's a value. So we have initially given 20, which is we are assigning its value to 20, and then we are saying, okay, let me change its value. According to rule, this is allowed. But if we have done this, if we have declared const and then I am saying, okay, I have declared this to 20 and now I wanted to change it, this would be not allowed. Clear now? Let's write it. Or you don't need to write, you would all remember. All of you know? If you needed to write it down, write it. Is it speaking? Okay, additionally what we have discussed yesterday, let's look at the second line. Okay, we have taken some value, const. I am still discussing the first and second line multiple times. Const fs is equal require fs. First line done. Can we change this to again something? Now that there it was number. Now can I say this was previously required system, which means we need an input from the system. Right now I wanted to change the fs to, let's say I wanted to do input, read input or something. Sorry, from read input you can do, but you cannot change this multiple times, right? You read from the system only once, and you keep iterating throughout of it. Okay. Let me give you a better example. Write file saying exit sales. Exits. This would be correct. So these are the function. This is basically simply not allowed in our system, which means we are reassigning the constant. Okay? Clear? Tell me when I needed to go slow or when I needed to go fast. Okay? because most of the time few of you understood this already and say कितनी बार एक ही चीज पढ़ा रहे हो, and few of them say कि कितनी बार जल्दी निकल गए. So you needed to tell me when to go fast or when to go slow. Okay. Okay. All of you understood this. I'll give one note round. Let's start with the question. Okay, how many of कब दिया था मैंने question homework? I think I was missing something from the previous classes. Let cons I have asked. I'll come to question. Let cons I have asked. Time complexity definition. Yes. Definition कोई बताओ. Time complexity, space complexity.
When size increases, मतलब जब इनपुट का साइज इंक्रीज होता है उससे
ठीक है. Same for space.
साइज इंक्रीज होता है तो
What else we have studied? Two question questions. And
वो परसेंट के थे तो हमने कल किए.
yes, okay. Let's go back into the questions. When I have given the question? Wednesday. Wednesday I have given the question. When I asked to check, कब check करने बोला था?
आपने बोला था कि ट्यूसडे तो हमने बोला कि नहीं अगर आप क्योंकि आपने बोला था कि जो टाइम लिमिट होगी वो ट्यूसडे तक की होगी.
Okay.
मैंने आपने बोला था वेडनेसडे से बोला कि वेडनेसडे से ट्यूसडे.
Okay.
अभी हमारे पास टाइम है.
अभी तो सिर्फ 18 ही क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं.
दीदी आप अभी बताएं 18 क्या बचा?
Okay. ठीक है. कितना हो गया अभी?
18 सबसे ज्यादा मेरे 118
लेटेस्ट कोड शिफ्ट कहाँ पे किया है? कहाँ तक किया है? आगे कोई स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम बैकवर्ड और फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ओके 102 अभी कहाँ तक किया हमने? 117 ठीक है 17 18 हमने कुछ किया है. लेट्स चेक. 17 everyone done here. Why this column is entirely silent? Not able to understand or thinking this is my first class. Okay, very direct question. How many from this solve one till 117 and 118? None of you? Let's start this. And from here, how many of you solved? 117, how many have solved? 118? 118, okay. Let's, everyone will. 100, how many of you have solved? 100. 100, ये तो starting point है. ठीक है. Most of 110 इधर कितने लोगों ने कर लिया? 110 तक 1 2 बाकी इतनी बड़ी नंबर 8 10 लोग
भैया 17 समझा 17 का आंसर तो समझाया था ना कल आपने।
क्यों भैया हम तो अभी आए ना 17 पे, आप 17 कैसे समझाओगे? तो
भैया उसको छोड़ो, हम लोग कर लेंगे।
क्वेश्चन तो सारे बहुत इजी हैं, सिर्फ एक
उनका डिफिकल्टी लेवल ना 100 to 100 के बीच में, तो वो सॉल्व इजी हो
बहुत
जाएगी।
इजी क्वेश्चन है। भैया उनका डिफिकल्टी
मैं समझाऊंगी, ये बात भी मैं समझाना छोड़ दो, चलो।
to reach out. Question number 1 सारे कंटेस्ट का बहुत आसान है. If you just brainstorm for 15-20 minutes, you would be able to solve. But if you are not able to solve, you need to raise hands कि मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. I am going to start with the question number 2. Okay? Question number 1 is very easy for all of the contestants. Open this and give it a read for 2 minutes.
270 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2.
अभी तो हमारा है ना, सेकंड कर लीजिएगा।
सेकंड. Add to make positive.
That was 2 to 4. This is 217.
मतलब वैसे इनपुट हो सकता है बट आंसर वो नहीं है. ठीक है. Read the question. Read question.
Greater than x is equal to greater than is equal to x, which means it will only go up. Okay, if it's at 2.1, right? If it's at 2.1, you would get a greatest ceiling value, which is 3. Even if it's at 2.9, you would get the 3. If it's 2.0, this is the array. If you have 2.0, it will be 0. If now we have a minus. If you have minus 2.1, it would be minus 2, because greatest value would be, we can go a little bit upper than the negative. Okay, minus 2, and then minus 2.9 still can be 2. Okay, minus 2.
बट भैया वो 2.0 जो भी है वो 0 क्यों?
Oh, okay. This would be 2. Okay. है ना? Clear? Ceiling value? Clear? Are you clear with the ceiling value? ठीक है. Ceiling value is smallest integer which would be greater than x but can go above. Like in an array, basically you are going to work and solve the question in an array. So I'll tell why you need to understand this. But basically when you get something on the decimal 2.1, 2.3, 2.4, which means you can take the highest value. Suppose you have two ceilings, 1 and 2, okay, and you got 2.1. So you can consider, okay, the highest the number can go is your highest value. आपको 2.1 मिला, but it's to make it a fully integer, you simply increase the number till 3. Understood? 2.1 है, कितना थोड़ा सा बढ़ाएंगे तो 3 हो जाएगा. हमें डॉट में चाहिए नहीं, हमें पूरा नंबर चाहिए, है ना? Understood? Now the floor value. ठीक है? 2.1. Yes. 2.1. Yes.
तो वहाँ पे 3 आना चाहिए ना?
Yes.
ये साइन से पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव की वजह से वैल्यू चेंज और मेरा 2.1 है तो भी 3 या 2.9
माइनस
ये
2.9
वहाँ पे जो 2.5 है वहाँ पे 10 होना चाहिए ना।
कहाँ पे?
वो जो सेकंड लाइन है 2.1 के बाद 2.9 है वहाँ पे 10 होगा।
9 के बाद
9 के बाद उसका होता है
2.9 है।
Any doubt here? Any doubt on the ceiling value? We are increasing the ceiling value to maximum increase. Just for now, just understood. We cannot take into if we use just understood the formula. If we are using the any number, if you got any number into the dotted format and you needed to find the ceiling value, you will get the maximum possible integer would be your ceiling value. ठीक है? Any doubt here? Minus where?
तो फिर माइनस 2.9 है तो माइनस 2
माइनस 2.9 डाउट यहाँ है. ओके. This is positive. This is negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. We needed to take the maximum. This is our written. You only need to go up. That's why it's called the ceiling value. You cannot take the negative. Minus 2.9 is here somewhere. Minus 2.9. Okay. To make it up, you can simply take the value of 2, minus 2, which is slightly upper, higher. Got it? यहाँ पे आएगा ना? If you will make the graph, it will come here or here. दोनों का अलग अलग. Understood? Ceiling clear? Now let's take a look at floor value. Simply, you needed to take the greatest integer. Okay. So 2.9, we are taking the greatest integer only. 2.9 would greatest integer and would be, let's make it to make it more simplified. I have written go up and then let's make it less than or equal to x and this can go down. ठीक है? Same process but it will go down. Understood? Yes, 1 second.
1 second is over.
Over. Round you only need to if it's greater than 0. Like round figure what क्या होता है? अगर आपको 5.4 मिला तो उसको इतना ही रखोगे. Round figure but if you want 5.6 you make it 6. है ना? Simple math formula. हाँ? Where is the doubt? This one or this one?
ये सेकंड फ्लोर वाला जो है -2.0 है तो -3 ये थर्ड लाइन
This one?
या
minus 2.0 and because we are going down, right? हम higher value नहीं ले रहे, हम lower की value ले रहे हैं. Pure value 2.1 is -3 and 2.9 would be there.
अगर वो 2.1 होता 2.3 होता तो वो -3 हो
I
जाता
think
ना.
it could be हाँ नहीं right. नंबर मैंने गलत लिख दिया. 2 ही ले लो यहाँ पे let's take it. It would be 2. Okay. This would be -2 and -2.9 if you will take it will be -3. ठीक है,
अच्छा भैया
क्लियर? एक वैल्यू मिस कर दिया था यहाँ पे 2.9 वाला मिस हो गया, क्लियर नाउ? राउंड फिगर क्लियर, नियरेस्ट वन,
नियरेस्ट
ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई वी हैव गो थ्रू दिस बेसिक्स पार्ट. You are going to use this formula in the question which is currently asking.
ओके भैया
Math dot load. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है? ठीक है, यहाँ पे फ्लोर है मैथ
डॉट
डॉट फ्लोर. ठीक है, these three terms you simply do whatever it is. इसी को हमने एक्सप्लेन करके यहाँ पे बताया. ठीक है, in the next question either you can solve it without this or you can use any of these three things. Have you understood clearly? Just like fs का हमने लिया है, then उसके अंदर हमने फ्लोर लिया. सिंपल math is a simple object in Node.js and there are multiple values like ceiling, floor and round which you can directly use. Two question for you, homework.
होमवर्क.
Firstly the question which is given right now. Second is to explore the math object. Three things I have already told. There three things exist in the class: ceiling, floor, and math. There are a lot of other things also exist in the class. सबसे एक एक पूछूंगा, जितना है उसमें. बस यही है टॉपिक, मैथ टॉपिक. ये बस तीन बताया, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे हैं. सबको एक एक बता दोगे, देन आई अंडरस्टैंड आपने पढ़ा.